Hello everyone and welcome to our very first Tech News Roundup video. We at TechLila believe in trying out new ways to reach our audience, and this new series is one among the many new initiatives that we are going to launch in the coming months and weeks. This week we had a lot going on in the world of tech, and here's our take on that. You can find the companion article for this video linked in the description. So without any more delays, let's get started. This week, Uber announced a new credit card at the Money 2020 conference in partnership with Barclays and Visa. If you think this is just another credit card from yet another company, you might want to hold on. This credit card comes with a lot of perks for its riders who opt in for it. For example, the riders will get a bonus of $100 on spending $500 or more. The card will also offer $60 in online subscription. Other benefits include 4% cashback on restaurant, takeout and bar purchases, 3% back on airfare hotels and Airbnb rentals, 2% back on online purchases, and 1% back on everything else. This credit card will allow Uber to analyze the shopping pattern of over 10 million customers who use the ride-hailing service across the globe. The card is going to be available via an application form starting November 2nd. It's been less than a month since Android 8.0 Oreo started showing up on devices, but Google is already prepping up the next update to the operating system. Android 8.1 entered developer preview this week with some interesting new updates. While most of the changelog is pointing at under-the-hood improvements and bug fixes, one of the most significant changes coming to 8.1 is the new Neural Networks API. This new API brings hardware-accelerated inference to mobile devices for quick execution of pre-trained machine learning models. By bringing these computation capabilities to a phone, it would mean that a lot of the latency involved in such tasks would be reduced due to the reduced locality of reference for these APIs. If you are an Android enthusiast who owns a Pixel, you might want to check this one out by enrolling into the Android beta program. Link for the same would be in the description. Google has been stepping into the payment segment pretty aggressively. With the launch of Chase in India last month, Google showed that it is clearly interested in becoming a player in this segment. This week, the company announced a new service which will make online purchases extremely easy for its users. The service is called Pay with Google, and it will be available on Chrome and on Android via Play services. Once you're shopping on a website, Google will ask you if you want to save your details for future checkouts. If you agree, then with all your future purchases, you'll be able to click on the Pay with Google button and check out in one click. This service will use the credit card that Google has on record for you. Expected to roll out in the coming weeks. Netflix launched a new mobile app this week for managing your DVD queue. Agreed that in today's world of online streaming, not many care for DVDs, but if you happen to be among the few obsessed with your catalog, you might like the new app. Most of what the app is offering is fairly standard. The app allows you to filter, sort, and search across your DVD catalog. Nothing too groundbreaking here, but if you feel like this is something you've been waiting for, head over to the App Store or Play Store to download it now. Amazon is the undefeated king of the e-commerce segment. But with all of its infrastructure and innovation, Amazon, and for that matter any other e-commerce player, has not been able to solve one key problem. The problem is delivery of the product. It happens to be one of the most fault-prone parts of the entire logistics system. At the same time, it's not always certain that a customer is going to be at their address during the time of delivery. Enter Amazon Key. Amazon Key is Amazon's latest service which will allow delivery agents and other key personnel like house cleaning agents to get a one-time access to your house. It will work with your smart lock, and once you grant permission, the delivery executive will be able to unlock your door using a one-time passkey which they'll obtain from the Amazon Key app. If you have been a victim of unattended packets getting stolen, this product is definitely for you. That's all for this week. Until next time, it's me Prateek signing off.